Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Western Alliance Bank Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in westernalliancebankcorporation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Western Alliance Bank website. Now click on the online banking option at the top right corner and then within select account, click on the drop down menu and then choose personal or business or the other options depending on your account type. You can then click on the go button and then you can choose your appropriate login portal. You will then be asked to enter your user ID. Go ahead and type in the user ID that you have set up while creating your account and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password and click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Western Alliance Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the forgot password option within the password page, which you can click on to reset your credentials. Once you have logged in, you can simply hover over to the mortgages section and you will be able to access your mortgage account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account on Western Alliance Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.